Okay. This is me looking for shorts on the Nasdaq. I'm bearish. Price are traded above the all-time high. So my expectation was to see a drop to the downside. And that initial drop during 9:30, I looked at that as due to as fake sell breakout, and the weak above the buy side to that FVG, I looked at it as jude swing. So price is ready to drop lower. And the other inefficiency above, I was looking at as a breakaway gap. That was what I was looking at it as. So I look to enter short here, though it kind of looks like a mess. Live account, trading the same baby live account. Apparently $2 account now because I'm on drawdown. So I pointed out where I'm going to sell, went to my trading terminal and executed. Look at my account size, that's basically nearly $3, 2.99 $2.99, risking 20 cents as usual for the New York because of the volatility, and targeting 2 risk to reward 40 cents. Selling, looking for sales. And yeah, that's it. Mm. What am I doing here? Reading. So yeah, back here, the 9:30 volatility was all over the place. This thing kept moving back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. So that's me pointing out where my stop loss is. Pointing out where my stop loss is, and that sell here is my entry. Making my stop loss wide enough. Wide enough. So I didn't expect that gap to be traded to. I'm looking at it to as a breakaway gap to take price lower, and that will mean strong bear. And as seen, I've been stopped out here. Before I even came to check it, I've been stopped out. So this is me showing it 21 cents is now down to $2.7. Yeah, I'm still looking to take this account to $5. Nothing is gonna stop me from that. I still see it. But regardless, that's not the main thing. The main thing is what I am here to learn about today, about today's price action. So this is me looking at it again as probably another sell opportunity again on the Nasdaq. But apparently it disappointed. Okay, my stop loss has been taken out, so let me show how price later delivered by the end of the day, because it was a really rough price action. So yeah, I noticed something. 10 o'clock news. I didn't even annotate 10 o'clock high impact news. This will happen. Like this happens to me frequently nowadays. I don't know why. I think I'm not a lazy person, but I'm being a little lazy to pay attention to these things very well. Because I remember to put Tuesday, but to put the news, it skipped my mind completely. So yeah, there is that. Now the 10 o'clock high impact news, I noticed that all this time, all this movement back and forth during 9:30 that stopped me out. This was where I got stopped out. Was some kind of time distortion to wait for 10:30 and to wait for 10 o'clock. And once it was 10 o'clock during the macro, price took out buy side. Took out this buy side once again, and after taking it out, it dropped. That's fake SSL breakout. It dropped, and then it run against it, taking out this internal high. After taking it out, then it began to drop smoothly to the downside, which is expected. Which is what? Fake sell breakout, run against it enough to scare traders who were short here, and then price began to drop to the downside smoothly, reaching for my sell side target and the fair value gap I was targeting as seen. Yeah, right there. This was my second target, and I was content. So I got stopped out on this trade, but this is the main thing I am looking at. I was in sync with the direction of price, and look at this inefficiency. Price refused to respect it. That this was the inefficiency I used to sell off. price failed to respect it. So I don't think that this is my fault. I just feel this is a high resistant liquidity run market. And maybe paying attention to the news that there is no high impact news today, just medium impact news, might have helped me, but my mind was not even there. My mind was not even there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. That's all. So after that, after price got to my target, see what happened. After a lot of struggle to get to my target, I was there watching through, but I was there watching through till price got to my target. After I got to my target, just look at. This is that moment where you begin to think your village people are following you. I stayed through all this tough price action, only for price to reach my target with a lot of struggle, and then the next thing, with ease, price just dropped, reaching for sell side here, reaching for this sell side, and relatively equal sell side here, and yeah, that's it. Was price drawing to after taking out the all-time high, price was drawing down to this new week opening gap, and after drawing down to it, look at the next thing price did. Just went into consolidation, into PM session closing, just went into consolidation. So that's pretty much it for today. I drew this new week opening gap as my draw on liquidity, was it not? On Monday, I intended for price to draw to this. Oh, I even pointed it out this morning. I pointed it out this morning, said that this is my draw, this new week opening gap. But initially on Monday, that was what I wanted. But then price had to sweep buy side, fake buy breakout, which it did here, trapping traders long before it then was now ready to drop aggressively to that new week opening gap. And yeah, that's it. That's it. That's the new week opening gap there. This new week opening gap. Now price has reached for it, thus creating the low of the day today. So yeah, that's all for today.